Kapo Bisaya girly Colette. Bisaya represent, palaban tayo in the end. You may be known as anger sa grupo, pero for me, I know you as someone who knows how to stand up for what's right and who shows up for people in need.
Thank you for always being the caring Ate Colette. Happy birthday.
Si Ate Colette, very strong yung personality niya and nakaka-intimidate yung aura niya, pero she's one of the sweetest. And kapag kasama ko siya, alam mo yung parang at peace ka kasi very caring talaga siya. And I feel safe when I'm with her.
Happy birthday, Ate Colette. Stay kind, stay pretty, stay demure, and stay away from anger. I love you.
Ate Colette, laging sinasabi na ako yung strong personality and soft inside. Pero sa totoo lang, lalo na siya, mas mabilis talaga siyang umiyak kaysa sa akin. Promise, guys. Kaya happy birthday to my abunjing-bunjing.
Lagi ka mang galit. Okay lang dahil pati ako galit. But, don't stay galit. Happy birthday, Ate Colette!
Happy birthday, Colette. Aminin mo na OA line ka kasi OA ka talaga deep inside.